Today is 12th October 2020, and the way government of India, judiciary, the National Human Rights, can see the Constable Rahul going there just at the time when I'm arriving. See, it's an open murder by the government, by police, by judiciary, by Human Rights Commission of a whistleblower against corruption. I am an officer. I'm a gazetted officer in Election Commission of India, and for raising corruption issues as a whistleblower, the government of India has murdered me for being a whistleblower against corruption. I had caught Dharmen Sharma and some senior officers red-handed, and every day the police, as you can see, the police is just deployed in front of my residence. It's a clear case of state-sponsored murder, and the government of India has resorted to all sorts of terrorism in the past 9 months. On raging corruption issues as a whistleblower, government of India led by Narendra Modi is killing me slowly and secretly. Thousands of people have been killed in an organized, state-sponsored conspiracy led by Narendra Modi in the past 9 months. And the government of India is killing me slowly and secretly by injecting slow poisons in my body, by using National Investigating Agency, by using police, by using NIA, Intelligence Bureau, and RAW. It's a clear. I reside at this address 83132 Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University, Delhi 110007. And the way Delhi police is behaving itself reveals that it's a state-sponsored conspiracy to kill me. The way judiciary, the way National Human Rights Commission, all do not entertain my complaints and dispose of the complaints without investigation, though I submit the proper material evidences and I make legal submissions, but they do not respond. Itself raises questions at the independence of Judiciary and Human Rights Commission in India. And thousands of people have been murdered by Narendra Modi in the past 9 months. And the way police is deployed every day in my route en route to office and while returning back to my residence, itself proves that Delhi police is involved in this conspiracy to kill me. Apart from that, the National Investigation Agency, the RAW, the Intelligence Bureau, they are all involved in the conspiracy to kill me. Even Interpol, I reside at this address 83132, room number 15, Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University, Delhi, and I work as a section officer in documentation section of Election Commission of India. My name is Ravi. And the way Supreme Court and other institutions are behaving itself raises the Human Rights Commission. They are dismissing my complaints even without investigation. The Supreme Court even did not allow me to speak for 10 seconds, which itself proves how judiciary is biased in India and how the Human Rights Commission is behaving in an arbitrary manner just at the directions of Narendra Modi. Even without investigation, they are arbitrarily closing my complaints. It's a clear case of a state-sponsored murder at the directions of Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India. Officers like Sunil Arora, Sushil Chandra, Dharmen Sharma, Mona Srinivas, Y. Standhope, and others. Since I had raised corruption issues as a whistleblower, and my petitions are pending in Central Vigilance Commission, but they are not being attended, and the Central Vigilance Commission is only forwarding them to the guilty officers. This shows how the independence of every institution has been compromised in the current government of India. Thank you. Today is 12th October 2020, evening time.